Hi everyone, it's Christina. Those of you who are close to me know that you can call me Chrissy. I am in Vancouver, and this is actually my avatar on Zoom. So if you didn't know, there's a setting. When you go to change your background or you want to blur your background in case you have a messy environment and you have to jump into a meeting. So they have avatars now. It's being beta tested, and this is my avatar, and I chose a fox. So it's mirroring my screen right now. The camera is on, so I'm actually moving my head side to side like that. I'm waving, it doesn't show anything. It doesn't show my hand, but it does reflect my face because like I'm smiling right now, right? And doing more expressive stuff, testing how the avatar is responding. So I think this is pretty cool considering you don't have to install anything else in the software. I think this is amazing. So if you go to your settings, how to achieve this is you click on the tab called backgrounds and effects. You go to the third tab, it says avatars, and there's a big beta gradient button. And so now if I change my avatar to the what's available, let's see, there's a cat, giraffe, dog, bunny, polar bear, panda. Let's try panda. And the other option is the shirt. So my fox is wearing the hoodie. So you see how that changed? This is amazing. I think this is fun. Um, Maybe if you're a teacher or you just want to have a fun meeting, or maybe you're not wearing makeup today or just having a bad day, I think it's pretty uplifting. So give it a try. So this is Christina from Vancouver, just giving you an update on this amazing feature on Zoom called Avatars, which is in beta. Give it a try and have fun.